What's up, ladies and gentlemen? On today on M.A.W. weekends, for those little bit of people that do watch, I'm taking requests of a special mix of your doing and put a shout out to you. How's that sound? Whoever calls or contacts me, I'm not talking about calling. I don't want y'all calling me. Unless, of course, it's, business related or something. I don't know. But either way, you comment below the video and you tell me what kind of music you would like your mix. It has to be uplifting and upbeat. You know what I mean? No like thrash metal or country mixes and nothing. I don't do that. I'm sorry to say, but you hear my music, and if you want an R&B mix put together, I can do that. Old school R&B, I can do that. You know what I mean? Classic soul or old school rap, current rap, I can do that. I'll get creative with the thing. So in today's M.A.W. video, obviously your request will have to be like a 20-minute mix or a half-hour minute mix. I don't want the video to be too long, unless of course it's on my other channel and I'm doing a mix for an hour and a half. Then I'll upload it back. But all these things that I do on the weekend is part of a set, a volume set. Now, the music that you're going to hear in this video today, oh snap, he just did a Huey in the middle thing like he the cop. Alright, this particular mix is from volume 8 and leads into volume 9. Now, volume 9 is going to be a love romantic volume, okay? It's going to be all love songs. But what I mean by love songs, not the long love songs that y'all are thinking. I'm talking about uplifting love songs. Let's talk that, like Sade. It's going to be some Sade in there. It's going to be some George Benson. Some kind of like jazzy, but on a level of toe tapping, bob your head type of stuff, So get ready for that. And then on Sunday, I'm gonna put a gospel volume together for you guys. This will probably be volume 10, gospel house tracks. All right, gospel / soulful house tracks, because I gotta mix it up a little bit. I can't just play all gospel. I know it's only for 20 minutes or half an hour or whatever the case, but I gotta mix it up a little. But all right, let's the other bonus is, normally I'm stuffed up. Hold on. Okay, the bonus is that I'll be featuring a new mod that I put together last few days, and y'all will see changes being slowly made as you get to see where my braid is going, and I'm gonna share that with y'all. But other than that, I guess I'll see you inside the video. All I have to say is, wow. These gliding strips I put on here made this tool fun again. And because it's bigger, it covers more ground. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to still use this, because this is going to be my daily hustle. That and the high flyer. But I have to be honest with you, this is such a treat of a pivot to use right here compared to the disc one. if you've been cleaning windows with Wagtail a long time and you've never tried those power pivots, I think really you should think about considering getting one, because the swivel motion on there is just smooth. I mean, hold on 1 second. And what made this tool fun again is the gliding strips on it. And I cover more ground. I notice that I'm knocking out windows with this a little quicker because it's 24. Because it's kind of hard to use my 30-inch in there, so I kind of been just using the 18. But shoot, why not? 24-inch on some windows, just get done a little faster. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But take a look for yourself how it works. A short video.